We had an exciting visit from Dr. Schwinn. It was really validation in terms of the work that we continue to do in Montgomery County and how we continue to do it. There's been some strategic planning over several years that I think truly matches this moment in time in terms of industry, opportunities, and where we're heading as a state.
This visit has again just solidified the importance of career and technical education. We have to think about all of our pre-K through 12 school system as preparing our students for having successful careers so that they can support their families and be good citizens of our state and country. And I think what we see in CTE programs, especially effective programs like the one that I saw here today, is that it keeps our students engaged. It keeps them very clearly aligned with what they want to do after high school. And I think that just makes our economy stronger, especially when we have those CTE programs that are aligned to local economies and local communities, which came through very, very clearly today.
I'm excited to have her here on her third day of work. It really speaks to what the state of Tennessee believes is going on in this county and how it's aligned to the industry work that's focused on. And in terms of the importance, we have to understand that Tennessee has developed into a community where industry understands that we're one of those places to just land. And being that they have landed not only in Tennessee, but in Montgomery County, it's so important for us to match our training, development, certification, opportunities for students to those industries.
We have strong academics. We have a high percentage of involvement in AP and dual enrollment classes. We have a wonderful fine arts department. We have a great JROTC program, as well as all of our career technical education. So whatever the student is interested in, they need to have buy-in and it needs to be relevant, whether it's automotive, whether it's health science, whether it's theater. That's what keeps them coming every day. And high school has to be a well-rounded and expose them to everything because they're at that critical point in their life where they're choosing what they're going to do for the rest of their life. And if they don't have a solid exposure, they don't even know what's out there. So it's our job to provide them with everything that's out there so they can make the best choice for their life.
Finding opportunities for our students is almost just like finding a great fit of a shoe. And in order for us to ensure that our kids are moving on beyond us as a school district, we have to ensure that we have a good shoe to fit them. So we feel good about all the different variations of shoes and CT opportunities that we have in the school district. We feel that we'll have that good fit for just about any kid that's looking.